Welcome to you, all my students. Today we will discuss the very interesting topic and the next part of reflection of light. And now we discuss about the characteristics. Characteristics of an image which form in a plane mirror. What are the characteristics? The image is virtual. Now, the image which formed in the plane mirror, is it real? No, it is not real. It is formed, but it's formed virtually, not in reality. Okay? And now the question is another characteristics. This is the laterally inverted. The image is laterally inverted, which is formed in a plane mirror. So laterally inverted means it is the phenomena. Lateral inversion is a phenomena which the image appears reverse from left to right. Means your left hand formed as right hand of your image. Okay, understand? And the another characteristics is it is erect. The image is erect, and this is a very special information I want to share with you. That is, the actual image always form erect, and the real image is always inverted. Understand? It is a phenomena where virtual image always erect, and if anywhere a real image is formed, then this is inverted. It is the reflection spot of today's topic. Okay. Now, another characteristics of the image. This is the size of image. Actually, this is we talk about the size of image. If we talk about the size of image, then you observe this when your image formed in a plane mirror. Is it small to you or big? Obviously, it is the same size. Means the size of image is always equal to the size of object. And in the similarly, distance of image is always equal to distance of object. And very interestingly, if suppose you run in speed v from in front of mirror, then the image is also run in speed v. Okay. And today's LBD is the question which you should discuss in discussion forum. What is the difference of the image of your front camera and back camera? Suppose you take a selfie and another image you take a picture from back camera. What is the difference of these two images? Okay, and the plane mirror is completed. Now we will start the spherical mirror. There is two types of spherical mirror. One is concave and convex. And this topic we discuss in next class, but today we just tell about what is concave mirror and what is convex mirror. Okay, and another thing we will discuss in next class. So what is the concave mirror? The concave mirror that curves inward. That curves inward. Suppose a spoon. A spoon, the inward is the concave and outward is the convex. And the convex mirror is a type of curved mirror where reflecting surface is outward. Okay, outward. So it is outward. That's why the light rays diverge. Okay, because of inward reflecting surface, that is light reflected after that it is converged. Okay, and next day we will discuss it briefly. So thank you.